Hi there, it's Grant here. In this video, I just want to give you an overview of Louis Navellier's brand new presentation called The Next Nvidia, because it is actually really interesting. And what I want to do is save you, the time of watching, this whole thing. And basically in this video, he talks about the next huge opportunity and he gives a big reveal where he names the name and ticker of this opportunity in this video. I mean, the video is quite long. If you do want to watch the video, I will link down to it in the description box below. But I'm just going to give you an overview because it is actually quite interesting. A lot of these, I'll be honest, a lot of these videos, they're just, they're sales pitches, to join Louis Navellier's Growth Investor, which I'm a member of. I actually really enjoy it. I recommend it. I think it's very good. But there's actually some really good information in this presentation. So what's the big idea of this? So at the moment, AI is, the big thing. AI is going to take over our future. And a lot of people are looking at, small-time investors are looking for all of the new next big AI companies. But the real opportunity in AI isn't in AI companies themselves. Don't get me wrong. There's going to be dozens of AI companies, trendy AI companies cropping up over the next couple of years that are going to, see explosive growth. But the big opportunity is the hardware powering AI. AI is going to need a huge amount of computing power in order to do this. At the moment, we've got GPU chips. They're kind of like the big thing. You've got Nvidia. You've got Taiwan Semiconductors, which is the biggest GPU maker in the market. A lot of people don't know that Taiwan Semiconductors make all of Nvidia's chips. That company is absolutely rocking it. It's locked the whole industry down. But what Louis really wanted to bring home in this is quantum computing. Quantum computing is the next generation of computing that's really going to change the game. When quantum computing combines with AI, AI is going to get scary. And I mean that literally. Because at the moment, we've just got these very powerful GPU chips and normal computing. Don't get me wrong, these computers are very powerful. These chips are very specialized. They can crunch a lot of data. But quantum computing is now bubbling under the surface, and this is now on Louis' radar. And this is what he's really trying to drill home to, small little investors like yourself who are looking to grow their retirement fund and latch onto a next big trend so you can make really good gains. So Louis is big on quantum computing, and I'm a small-time investor as well. I'm keeping my close. I'm very interested in crypto and tech, and obviously you can just tell that the hardware industry powering AI is going to see insane growth. We're talking chip makers, AI data centers, AI power companies, cooling systems. All of those kind of companies are going to explode over the next couple of years, because without that, AI is not going to operate. But quantum computing, we're talking quantum chips and other quantum systems that are going to, basically AI is going to run on, is what's going to take AI to a whole new level. We're talking about taking a car from 65 miles an hour to 65 million miles an hour. That is really the difference between what we've got at the moment to what quantum computing is going to allow us to do in the future, especially with AI. So this is what this presentation is all about. It's all about quantum computing coming into the fore in 2025 and beyond. And Louis' pick is IonQ. IonQ is a small little company under the radar that is actually creating, this is the pick Louis gave, it's actually creating, quantum chips and quantum systems. And Louis got his special grader system. It goes from A to F, I do believe. F is ignore. A is basically invest now. It's a home run, basically. And in this presentation, Louis Navellier basically said institutional investors are moving the market. And when I say institutional investors, we're talking about huge hedge funds, BlackRock, Vanguard. When obviously they see a huge opportunity and their money starts rolling in, that is when the stock takes off. And basically these institutions run the world. Let's not beat around the bush. These companies can crash and grow markets. End of. So when you see institutional money flowing into a stock slowly, that is a big trigger that Louis sees with quantum computing, and especially this little company IonQ. I think it's A on his grader system. And yeah, quantum computing and this little company IonQ could be the next Nvidia, because it's going to bring the next generational level of computing power to the market in the form of quantum computing. So that is really what Louis' video was all about. It's all about quantum computing, and his big pick was IonQ. So I've saved you probably 45-50 minutes of your time watching the video, but it was an interesting video, to be fair. A lot of these videos can be a bit boring, but this was an eye-opening video. Yeah, there's a lot of mid-level waffle, but the interesting stuff in there was interesting. It actually opened my eyes. I've never heard of this company, so I actually learned something. So if you want to watch the video, I'll link to the comment and description below. So yeah, quantum computing, IonQ was the pick. Keep your eyes out for that. So yeah, that is basically my overview of this video. Very interesting video. I'll link to this video in the comment description, where you can go to this very page and watch it. But if you do want to take things further and you want to purchase Louis Navellier's Growth Investor, you can do so on this page. I'll also link to this in the comment description below. I do recommend his products. I mean, his products are very, very good. He's one of the best. His grading system is very accurate. He offers one of the best stock picking services out there, especially with tech. So basically you get all of this here. So you get all of these special reports. You get 12 months access stock grader, 12 issues of Growth Investor, the Quantum Revolution. This is going to give the next household names in tech for quantum computing, which is going to be coming very, very quickly. Great proliferation, next phase of AI. Stock to sell now on his stock rating system, and Trade Stops Basic, which is special basic how to trade stocks, special market podcast, Navellier library, and all of that. You get 90 days to try it, and you can join now for $99, which locks your membership in for 1 whole year. I've been a member for about a year now, very satisfied. I've made some nice returns with some of his stock picks, but I think what he's onto here is absolutely massive. Quantum computing is going to help AI and other industries to go to a whole new level we could never have imagined. So if you want, Louis' research on quantum computing and his very best picks, I highly recommend you join. It's going to be a fascinating read and a fascinating journey as all of this basically unfolds here. So it's $99 for the year, 90-day money-back guarantee. Absolutely no-brainer. I'll leave a link in the comment description below to this page, so you can have a read, and why not give it a go? I highly recommend it. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you liked it, why not like, why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this, and why not leave a comment with your thoughts on quantum computing moving forward. Thanks for joining me. I'll speak to you soon.